Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie. First, let's talk about the crust. Using a store-bought pie crust saves a lot of time and effort. Make sure to chill your dough thoroughly before rolling it out to prevent shrinking. If your recipe calls for it, a quick blind bake can help prevent a soggy bottom crust, ensuring a perfect pie every time. Next, let's prepare the delicious apple filling. Choose a mix of firm, tart apples, such as Granny Smith, for the best flavor and texture. Slice them about 1/4 of an inch thick so they cook evenly. Toss the apples with sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a little flour or cornstarch to thicken the juices. This mixture will create a wonderfully sweet and spice center for your pie. Now it's time to assemble your pie. Pour the apple filling into your prepared bottom crust, mounding it slightly in the center. Carefully place the top crust over the filling, or create a beautiful lattice design. Crimp the edges to seal, and cut a few vents for steam to escape. Bake your pie at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, then reduce to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking until golden. The hardest part is waiting, but it's crucial to let your apple pie cool completely for at least 2 to 3 hours. This allows the filling to set properly, preventing a runny mess when you slice it. Serve a warm slice with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream for a truly delightful dessert. And speaking of clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help with cleanup after your baking adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.